Alright, let's take a look at the temperature controller real quick. As you can see now, the circuitry has all been installed in this protective case. Hopefully keep some water out. Put some switches on, mainly for safety and to control some pumps. A screen for some output, and the heatsink for the relays just poking out there. Look at the circuitry real quick. Replace the Arduino with a Node MCU with that ESP 8266 module for Wi-Fi. Made that really simple to take the measurements we're reading and push it to the cloud real quick. The two solid-state relays, this one will be implemented soon when we go all electric by adding an element in the boil kettle. This is for our RTDs. Here's one. The other one is currently bridged with a 100 ohm resistor, so that'll give us basically like a 32-degree reading, just kind of a way to trick the board to give us something. And this one we can measure actual temperatures. So let's hook it up and take a look. I'll turn it off first. The safety. It's nothing actually hooked up yet. So alright, give it a close there. Alright, we should be connecting to the Wi-Fi, pushing all the information that we send. So there you go, we're getting some readout. So if we take a look at the RTD, this should be reading a temperature right now that's kind of the room temp, so it looks like it's 83. So we can probably, if I just hold it, push that up, 86, 87. So yeah, it's reading just fine. The other one's reading around 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what we expect because we have bridged it with 100 ohm resistor. So how do we control? How do we take the information that we're getting as far as temperature and control our element and heat it up? So that's what this set temp is here currently. And the way we access that is through a web application. So let's take a look. So we should be reading temperatures. Obviously the mash tank here, that's our 100 ohm resistor getting around 32, but let's take this, heat it up, 87, 88, 89.5, 90. So yeah, we're reading. Also, if we take a look on the output of the box, we should be getting the same. So we can actually control that. So our current temp is higher than our set temp, so that's going to turn our element off in the Holoker tank. Obviously, if we want to put this temperature higher, if we do something like 100, our element should now display green there. Also here on the output we see on, and there with the, if we had the safety switch on for the element, see, this is what well, we had safety switches, see, now it's on. That solid state relay is on. Let's take a look at it. If we go low, 70 should turn off, and yeah, good and off there. So awesome. Hope to have this installed Friday week and put it through a test run and see how she goes.